Good morning students, welcome back to today class. Last class we saw about the different types of foods grown in our Indian country and food grains that also grown. What are the food grains it grown in our Indian country like rice, wheat, jowar. So these are the main food grains it's producing in our Indian country. And today class we are going to see about fruits and vegetables. So like food grains, fruits and vegetables also very important, and fruits and vegetables give us energies, and it's improve our stamina. So fruits are helpful to improve our immunity power and increase our blood level also, isn't it? So the fruits and vegetables is a very important part in our Indian country, and some fruits and vegetables are available in some fruits and vegetables are throughout the year, the whole year it fully available, but some fruits and vegetables are available in seasonal means that particular fruit and particular vegetables it's available in a particular seasons, like summer seasons and winter seasons. So during the season time only these fruits and vegetables are available. So these are called seasonable fruits and vegetables. And fruits and vegetables like mango, watermelon and lychee, cucumber and bitter gourd, it's available during the summer seasons. And like so these are the vegetables and fruits are available during the summer seasons. The another season it's called it's winter season, and during this winter season we can get the grapes, oranges and cauliflower and carrot, peas, green leaf vegetables like spinach, fenugreek and mustards. So these are available during the winter period. Okay. So different places of India grow different kinds of fruits. So India has so many states. So each state has different different soils. So the soil is very important to grow different fruits and vegetables. So here one table is given. So here on in the side, so on the left side, some places. So places of India, the states of India it's given. The another one, so in the state what are the fruits are grown. Okay, the first one Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir. So in this place we can feel only the cold climate. So apple, cherries, strawberries are grown this places. And second one Maharashtra. So Maharashtra, so in this state we can see the oranges and mangoes. And the next one Uttar Pradesh. In the Uttar Pradesh also we can grown mangoes and Goa means koyapalam appinuvom, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So in these two states the Kerala, the another one is called Tamil Nadu. So in this place we can cultivate banana and coconut. Okay, the next one is called Gujarat. So the Gujarat we can what are the fruits are cultivated? Papayas and bananas. And next one Assam and Goa and Kerala. So these are the places pineapples are grown. And the last one is called Ladakh. So in the Ladakh they cultivate apricots. The apricots also is one of fruits names. So these are the fruits are grown in different states in our Indian country. Okay. So dear students, learn this topic today. Thank you.